I'm tracking rain and snow. Yes, snow in the Adirondacks of New York, up towards the mountains. Not so much at the coastline here on their Halloween here. A few inches, up to 4 inches of snow in upstate New York, up in the mountains, right? But outside of the mountains, this is going to be rain ending just in time for trick or treating. But yeah, there's going to be some showers in the mountains too. Let's take a look at the forecast now in more detail. Take you through November. Yeah, it's going to be getting chilly, right? Last day of October, today on Halloween, and there will be multiple opportunities for storms coming down the weather highway in the next couple of weeks. Let's take a look at them. This is the Halloween storm. It's exiting stage right. Look at this snow wrapping up Burlington, up towards the Adirondacks in New York, okay? And then that's out of here pretty quickly, an upper level low spinning out. Now we're into November 3rd and 4th. Here comes mostly a rain shower storm, but some snow up in the Boundary Plateau of Maine. Then another one, November 6th. This has got more mountain snow up in the greens and whites in New Hampshire, okay? And now we're at November 7th and 8th, okay? And this one a little bit on the warmer side, all rain with a big upper level low coming through Canada through November 9th. Some snow shower activity there by Lake Erie. So that's a forecast the next 10 days or so. Let's go ahead and take a look at it in more detail and snowfall. So this is for Halloween into tomorrow. Really, it's really from the upper level low. I want to show you this in more detail. You've got snow, elevation snow for the most part. 1, 2, 3 inches. Got a 4 here popping up near Saranac. Now, really, this is going to be overdone a little bit, this computer model, because the ground is not really frozen yet. So don't think there's going to be 6, 7, 8 inches of snow, but I could certainly see at elevation to get 4 to 6 inches, okay? But most will not see that much snow from this, okay, up in New York. Now, put the map into motion. This takes us into the next system, November 4th, 5th. Not a lot. There is some light snow. Once again, up in the mountains here, greens and whites, up towards Vermont, New Hampshire. And then, let's push it out farther, November 7th and 8th. And this is now cumulative. It's not all at once, cumulative. And you've got some snow coming up, once again, on the upslope, okay, in the western mountains of Maine, up in the county, an opportunity for snow too, okay, and more snow up in the Adirondacks in New York, okay? So the opportunities here are going to be coming down the pipeline for snow through early November. And then, this is now November 12th. It's a crystal ball, right? I'm looking at trends. I'm not guaranteeing there's going to be a foot of snow from now into November 12th in Maine. However, this is good for ski country. Could be getting an early opportunity here, an early start on the snow season, okay? But outside of elevation and the mountains, I don't expect this to be an event at all, okay? I don't expect you to get any snow at the coastline right now, okay? Outside of the coastline, we'll see, but up in the central highlands in Maine, up in the county, it's again the Adirondacks, the whites and the greens, that's where you have your best opportunity for snow to actually stick. We're talking about snow actually sticking on the ground. Now, here is your big upper level low in the last hour that it's spinning over New England. All the moisture being thrown up towards Halifax and New Brunswick. Okay, here's the wraparound that eventually will be snow towards Montreal, Burlington, but really more so here in upstate New York. Okay, so we'll take a look at that in more detail. It is going to change over. So here it is, upstate New York. Here are the Adirondacks right here. Okay, this is where the snow is going to be falling later on today. Okay, not cold enough really for too much lake effect from this, but you've got your big upper level low here, and then to the south and east, this is going to be Melissa passing south and east as a Category 1 hurricane pretty late in the season, right? The hurricane season ends on the end of November, but still pretty late to see a Category 1 hurricane moving that far north and east. Now, the gales are going to be up along the coastline if you don't live in the mountains, so for really the entire Northeast and New England. Now, let's look at the satellite picture and show you the clearing going on that is happening in the southern coast of Maine, also down in Rhode Island, clearing going on. Okay, you have your big upper level low that's spinning. Here's your moisture, 50s to 60s. Now, hold on to these 60s, especially in Massachusetts, southern Maine, Connecticut, Rhode Island, because 60s will be going away pretty soon, right? Here's the cloud cover, all the moisture, and then here on the northwest side, we're going to have that cold air wrapping in and basically dynamically cooling the atmosphere, so there will be snow in upstate New York. So that's look at temperatures. I want to show you the wave heights. The seas are going to be building because there's Melissa heading up north and east, right? And all the waves going with it, okay? But eventually, so tonight the waves are going to be highest. The seas are going to be highest, getting around 10 feet near shore, especially down east and near the mid-coast, okay, in Maine. But also here out in the Cape. So you're going to have pretty high seas tonight. And then again tomorrow, but tomorrow the wind is going to be out of the west, so that will help to lower the seas, but they're still going to be, fairly significant, okay? So here's that forecast now, the next several days. This is into November 4th, 5th, and 6th. I'm not going to stop it here. I just want to show you here the weather highway, which is going to feature more storms. It's too far away to, talk about whose town or which county gets snow or how much, we're talking about next week. I can just tell you the best opportunity is going to be in the higher elevations of northern New England and then the northeast technically, which is New York right here, okay? It's not going to be right now. I don't expect a coastal snow event. But precip-wise, for the drought, things here look very good. This is a look through November 15th, okay? Total precip, November 15th. And look at all this. Now, it does count today and what happened last night, but still, you're talking about 2, 3, 4, 5 inches, especially in northern New England, but southern New England too gets in on it, okay? So that's really good news to help with the drought because the drought continues be ongoing. But this would help a lot getting us as we go into winter pretty soon. You can follow along on Facebook for free and on nappycast.com to get the latest forecast for New England. I really appreciate you being here. Consider being a subscriber if you want more information on the weather in New England and especially in Maine.